Good morning. Good morning. Here we are. I've been looking at the market. I haven't seen anything moving that is worth trading. I mean, I haven't seen anything yet. We'll see. Something's wrong with the camera here. Let me fix this. I guess the other camera is having some issues. Yeah, I haven't traded anything. Just waiting. I think it's good now. So that camera is good now. Let me lower this music. It's kind of too loud. Right, we don't need loud music. Maybe a tiny bit in the background. All right. Nothing so far this morning. I have not taken a trade. You know, sometimes not taking a trade is a good thing. So, okay, so I think that the camera is good. It's working good now. SOGP. I'm having some issues with my hotkeys and the keyboard I use for that. It's not the regular computer keyboard. For some reason, every time I log in, it just resets to nothing. So gotta find a fix or buy a different keyboard or something. But I just cannot be doing that each time I log into the platform. Let's see if it's working now. I had to reset the whole computer. So if you were looking at the stream earlier and you noticed the break for 5 minutes, it's because I had to reset the whole thing to see somehow if I don't have to continue resetting the hotkey every time. All right. Still looking at the market. I don't see anything moving. I mean, let me see LTRX. Maybe. Let me look at it here. LTRX. All right. LTRX. Oh no, the volume is like on live support. Oh, what happened to this thing? Why it keeps moving? Need to do. Ready for the long weekend? Much deserved break. I'm gonna go ahead and record this session too. I could do a summary later. A lot easier than waiting for YouTube to compress and format or whatever it is that they do. Sometimes it takes 12 hours for them to do anything. We'll see. Alrighty. Let me work on these hotkeys and look at the markets at the same time. If anything else comes up, anything comes up at all. STSS was a good one yesterday. WHLR. You see, it's going down. It's going south. South. All right. I gotta step out for a second and see if if I have a new keypad I could use. Be right back. All right, I'm back. Let me see. OPAD, PHAR. Okay, nothing yet. Just waiting for now. Morning work. But I'm still looking at the market. So anything comes up, I'll make sure I'll say something. But nothing yet. All right, so I got in with a small amount of shares. As I said in prior videos, just testing the water. Looking at level 2. The limit up is at 771. Limit down, max of the day is 738 so far. So we're on the top. So maybe require a quick sell. All right, that's all she wrote. I got in again. I sold. All right, didn't work, but we tested it. Okay, bought in again. All right, bought in. I guess it didn't go through. Well, limit up is at 786. Okay, it's push down. June 22, 723, 24. Hopefully it's a healthy pullback. If not, I'm out. I'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Went back up. Oh, okay. Out. I can always buy again. So, okay. I'm in. Out. In. Okay. 728, 730. Looking at the bid. Needed to go to 735. I'll add more. Okay. Added more. It hit 745. Excuse me. I will add more. Okay, I see the ask going up. The bid should follow. Out. Okay, power. $63 on the ask. Bid 754. Okay, pushing on pullback. $737. Okay, pulling back down. Okay, I bought in. Full amount. Okay, I'll buy some more. It decreases a little bit. All right. Pushing back down a little bit. Pull down. And pull back. Looking at the level 2 on the bid and the ask. Okay. Okay, I'm in. Also more. I'm okay with the risk. I added some more. Pullbacks are healthy. Nah, concerned with it. Again, trading small size. All right. Let's put back up. Hit 735, 39, 38, 36, 37. Okay, I'm in with some more. And if it crosses that 50% threshold back up, I'll add some more. Pullbacks are okay with me. The risk is fine. And 40, 44, 42, 43, 45. Okay, now it's time to load up some more. Okay, about more. Expected about more. Now it climbs up. I'm aiming to take profits. People trying to buy in because I see it going up. Everybody's trying to jump in. I'm trying to sell. The high of the day is 785. Right now it's at 756. That's about 30 cents. Okay, no, I just set it right up and might just continue adding depending how it goes. Okay, quick pullback. She's healthy, it's okay. Again, being cognizant of the risk. Okay. But more. Okay. Now we let the market dictate whether to add or sell. Accordingly, my fingers are in two places. One of them is in a hotkey to buy more. Another one's in a hotkey to sell everything. Okay. Level 2 is talking to me and it's telling me to buy more. And I did. Level 2 is telling me to look at this. Sell right there. Bought them apples. Huh? Alrighty then. I think we're done for the day, huh? That was very quick. Not complicated. Humans make it complicated. If you notice up here, it tested 805 from 8 to 805 twice, once here and another one here, and it refused to go any higher. That was the market telling me, get out. I'm going back down. And I listened to it. Now I actually got filled at $8, so it's a good move. Now you see how just 40 cents, 50 cents makes a big difference, how much you get out of it. Some people, when they try to make day trade, they're looking for dollars and dollars. They're so greedy. They're just looking for like big movement. The bottom line is you only need a few cents if you do it right. You don't need massive movement. I mean, those are hard to find. I guess this one, SOGP, if you would have gotten in like down here, and even then that would have been just dollar something. Maybe from here. I don't need all that. I just need little movement. This was enough. Walk away with 765 bucks. Let me see. I got in 730. 70 cents. 70 cents. 70 cents move. That's all I needed. Not sure why people, I guess they just get greedy. I take what the market gives me, and that's it. Please, if you like the video, smash the like. If you like, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. It will help us provide more time making all the videos going forward. All right, 785. Okay, very choppy. We'll see what the market wants to give me. It's back down. So there's no trade here for me. I think we're done with this one. Let me look around and see what else I could find. ARX. It's tempting, right, to jump in there, but I'm just listening to the market. My ears are on it. It's not saying anything. It's giving me no signs. Go ahead and it's not inviting me. I mean, you see, it's just it's not getting over that $8 mark where I sold. So it's what I have to respect. That I have to respect the market. So much respect. Much respect. Okay. Pushing back down. I'm waiting for the invitation. Okay, as soon as the invitation comes in, then I'll take care of business. But right now, I just checked my email right now. The market hasn't sent anything. Okay, I mean, I saw the sign. I saw the sign. There's no way you could have not seen the sign. It was clear. I'll tell you what, if you rewind the stream, the video, you'll see the sign too. It's right there for you to see. Okay, little pullback is fine. I bet if you rewind the video, very careful, frame by frame, when I said this is me or something like that I got in, a split of a second just before that, look at the level 2 and you'll be amazed at what you see. If you're able to see what's in the level 2 at that moment, just like a second before I bought in, leave me a comment and you see how it's going to open your mind to day trading. All right, here we go. Again, same plan, 2 fingers on 2 hotkeys, 1 to buy, 1 to sell, depending what the market wants to tell me. Okay. High of the day is 839, limit up is at 874. It flushes back down like that. I'm buying more. Flush, 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 flush. I'm promoting flushing. Come on, flush, flush. Buy some cheap ones. Come on. Good enough for me to buy more. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Flush, flush, flush more. Yes. Okay. How about some more? Yes. One more. Now let's go back up. If it goes higher than 50% of the pullback, I'll buy more. Okay. 790, 787. Looking at the bid, 88, 87. Look at the ask. Look at the ask. See how, look. Okay. Pullback. Okay. How about some more? Eight oh four is the average entry. I'm looking at the book, level 2 book. A lot of orders at the 808, 814 area. So there might be a push that high up, in which I'm gonna capitalize it. Okay. Almost getting into the 50% area between the pullback, all three black candles from top to bottom, about from 750 to like 840, so about 45 cents. But we're there now. I'm gonna go ahead accordingly, buy more. I just did. Now I just wait. Bought more. You see? Got the wrong hotkey. Buy some more. I'm just gonna wait and wait for those buyers to come in and just take their money. Here we go. We're gonna debate 805, 804, back to 05, 06 on the ask. Okay, another pullback, all the way to 791, back to 797, 8. Okay, the ask 801, back to 8, 801 again. Remember those orders I mentioned at 809? They start around 809 all the way through like 811, and then you have more 820 and 810, 820. No, gonna be a push to fill. And those are large orders. So this is highly risky. Do not copy me. Do not do these trades the way I do. I'm okay with the risk. Not everyone is. We just wait. Care about some more. All right, I bought some more. You know, if you use a small size every time, very small size in comparison to your account, even if the stock goes against you, you could always buy more and lower your average cost. But I'm talking about like a very small fraction, tiny bit of fraction of your account. And then when it goes the other way, you could always buy even more. Right. So here I'm buying some more. It takes money to make money. I mean, that is very true because you could just use tiny fraction of your account and still make money every day. Now look, you're looking at the ask and the bid. Just wait. Again, do not copy me. It's highly risky. All right. Maybe it's time to add some more. My fingers are ready to add more or sell. Okay, I'm looking at the ask and the bid. Little pullback. Fine. Pullbacks are healthy. I'm still looking at trade ideas, see if anything else comes up. And HD moving a little bit. Got about some more, right? Okay. Uh, Once a rush of buyers come in and they increase the price even more, I'll go ahead and deliver it to them. Yeah, so it works. They need to buy, I'll give them something to buy. To buy. See that? Now, what I'll do, I'll sell like 80%. I'll let the rest just post. I'm just gonna wait first if it gets to 839, close to it. If it goes above it. You gotta try all the strategies. You gotta and just adopt the one that you like the most and works the best for you and who you are, your character as a person. dog. Is that my dog back there? Okay. Don't put in the cane. Oh, right, all right. It hits 839. We'll see if it hits 839. Okay. 820. But don't get over 820. So if it tries again, 820. If not, I'm selling 90%. Okay. Another push to above 9, I mean 7, 820. If it makes it, the bid 817. Oh yes, sure did. Back down to 818, 817, 18, 19, 22. There we go. Okay, still a little push. I just wait. Looking at the ask, back up, 820, 19, 20, 19 again, 21. There we go. That's the market telling me to just don't sell quite yet. So looking at the bid at the ask. There you go. Look at the ask. Look at that. Okay. That's power. That's a power, power, power. That's what I'm talking about. Power, power, power. Keep going. There you go. Talk to me. Keep going. You can do it. Yes, you can do it. You can do anything you want in your life. Market. Let's go. Doing it. I sold 90% already. I'm gonna let the rest climb. It's getting close to limit up. All right, I'm done. Sometimes in life, gotta do what you gotta do. That was a quick trade. Look, it continued to 891. But here we go. 901. I guess I could have sold, a few more cents higher, but I read the indication in the level 2 and I walked away, and that's fine, right? That's what counts. Not be greedy. Just take whatever the market wants to give you and not impose your will on the market. Continue going up, but it's too close to the limit. Oh, don't decide it to. It's not a clear, powerful move as I like them to be. If you rewind the video, you'll see the power move I'm talking about, the moneymaker move, like this one here. That is movement. Okay, I got in small amount. Okay, oh, okay, another one, just to explore. Oh, that's it. The market already told me, walk away. Why am I trying to push it? It was a small little power move and immediately stop. That's it. Let's see if it happens again. We don't know. I definitely do not know. Okay, got in right now. Look at the level 2. Look at the ask. Look how it climbs and the bid follows. See that? See that? Okay. Look, just keep your eyes on the bid and the ask. Mainly on the bid now because I'm in the trade. Okay. See? See how I took off with profit? See that? That's level 2 is where the information that you really need to make a sound decision at the moment to your best, the best of your abilities. Okay, I'm in. Okay, buy some more. Buy more. Okay, I buy more. Most definitely buy more. 967 is the high up of the day, and limit up is at 987. Let's see if there's a push to it. I'm looking at the bid, looking at the ask, timing all the way up. 969, 70. Okay. So I think we'll 960, 970 again. Having issues getting to the higher of the 70s. So let me see, 73, 58. Okay, I sold. Okay. Maybe I should have stayed a little longer, but that's fine. Could have, who cares? This one I'm taking the train here. Oh, power, 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 power. Okay, so 1020 is the highest and 1035 is the limit up. Okay, I sold. That's fine. Risk is too great. I'm out. All right, I think I'm heading to call it a day for today. I'll be greedy. I took what I needed to take from the market, what it told me very clear to take. Jumping in right now is just being greedy. Me, it's not sound or prudent. There we go. Look at that. And it's still powerful because look how it wants to go back up. Very powerful. Okay, but a small amount just to explore. And at the ask, 1001, 10, back to 990, 8, 39, 10. Okay, pushing down a little bit. Just okay. Okay, one more. The pullback. Even if I give him 1,000 back, that's fine. That's the fee, the tuition, the fee to pay for greater chance of profiting more. Look at the ask. Okay, decrease a little bit. 987 is the average in now. The bid is 83, 84, 88, climbing 92, 97, and so just let it climb. Let it do its thing. All right, so the high of the day is 1020, limit up is at 1080. Let's see if he can get over the 1020 mark. Okay, pull back, pull down. Pull back. And we'll see what happens. Okay, I bought some more in the pullback. All right, here we go. Let's see if he makes it to 1020. 994, 88 over 10. On pullback. All right, I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting to take whatever the market wants to give me. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Smash that like. You see where what I'm showing you here, my strategies at work. Okay, back in the 60s, back in the 70s. All right, let's see if we could get over the 1020 line. Okay, all the way to 1039. It won 10 10, 10 12, 15, 10 18 on the ask, 10 24, 7, 39, 40s. I sold 90%. This is unbelievable. How much power this thing has. Okay, it's about to get limited. 1090 limit up is 1090. I'm out. Okay, believe it just got halted. All right, well, that's enough for me. I think by now it should be enough. We'll see. It is what it is. All right, it's halted now into I guess another 5 minutes. All righty. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do so. If you like the videos, the live stream, please smash that like. Just as a summary, this is the only trade I took today. I actually having some computer issues with the hotkeys earlier, so I really didn't trade when the market opened. I noticed SOGP breaking out. I waited longer after this high here. I waited for it to pull down, pull back a little bit. And then I took my exploratory trade here. Let me see what time it was. It was a small one, a 720 and one for 730. So the first three exploratory trades that I made, exploratory to me means tiny little size of shares I send out to the market to test the water and see what the response from the market was, the response from the market. And the first three ones I did here was negative. The first one, the market decided to keep $18 from me, then 528, then 1024, and another 5 or 6. But then on the third or fourth buy, the market sent me a message. It's like, hey, here, we got money for you. So I'm like, well, okay, well, if you got money, I want it. And I stay. I started buying in. Again, small sizes, each of them. And if you notice, each size I buy is smaller than the previous one. You see? Dynamically smaller. And then I took some more money out. Then I did the same thing all over again. And then took more money out. And that's just how it works. It's not difficult. I think humans, we just make it very difficult. We get all emotional about it. But it is what it is. Okay, you know what? The price is at 1090. It has not been 1090 at least for the last year plus. Now, I'm not here to get stuck in a pullback, in a severe one. So I think I'm done for the day. I hope you guys like the video, the stream. We'll be back. I have a 4-day weekend, so a long weekend. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna trade tomorrow. We'll find out. Probably be here. Um, I should be here. Then Monday, as you know, in the US, it's a holiday, so the markets are closed. So I guess we'll continue. We'll continue on Tuesday when the market opens. I think over the weekend I need to get a new keypad for the hotkeys, so I don't have the difficulties I was having today. Actually, for the past week or so, having been issues with this keypad. I reprogrammed it already like 2 or 3 times, and it continues having issues. So it's not, to me, it doesn't seem reliable or cost effective to keep it anymore. I need to find a new keyboard to ensure that I don't have any issues. All right. So SOGP is back on the move. And back on the move. Coffee time, break. Nice move. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm tempted to jump in. What do you think? Leave a comment. Leave a comment. That's a good advice there, Red Devil. Walk away. So now I'm battling these two voices, Stay, the greedy me. Walk away, the experienced trader. He's telling me to walk away. And I'm going to believe him. It's highly extended already. If I were to jump in, I have to be extra cautious and take extra steps to ensure that my profits are not given back. It's not that I'm not depleted. And those extra cautions will be small size to begin with. Ensure my stop losses in place, things like that. Alrighty then. Well, thank you for watching, everybody. If you like the live stream, please smash that like. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We very much appreciate it. I think that's it for me. Cannot let the voice control me. I am greedy, but gotta be smart about this. Okay? The only way I jump in back in is if I see the right setup, and I don't see it right now. It's choppy. It's too. There's no decisive movement from either buyers or sellers. Right now, they're just having arguments. They're fighting back and forth. They can't make up their mind. That type of environment, I'm not the most qualified to to be in it. So. See that? It's just the market is not sending me an invitation yet. Oh, wait. Looking at the scanners, see if anything else comes up. I don't see anything else. Now we just keep looking and see what comes up. Seem as powerful. Right? Very slow. Like crawling back up. Okay, I bought in on that one. I should have known better. I sold immediately already. I should have known better. See, so now my voice is nice and at ease now for, doing what he wanted me to do. But huge mistake. But I did cut my loss immediately. You notice that I was quick. Hotkeys are very important to use. Just my opinion again, of course. All right, so this is the third day in the row, super green. Or the fourth one. Did I trade Monday or not? I'm not even sure. Um, 6,800, 6,900, not bad. Not bad. I've seen bigger days, but it's fine. Actually, good money. What I'm talking about. Nonsense. Again, it's not that hard. Just I think people complicate it more than what it needs to be. All right, thank you. Please hit the subscribe button and the like. And I'll see you next time, next week. I'll probably be tomorrow. I'm not sure. Probably will be. But definitely will be back on Tuesday. Monday's holiday, so gotta enjoy the holiday, the weekend. All right. Thank you. Have a good day.